Hi guys, in front of me is OPPO Find N2 Flip, and let me show you how to add photo to contact. At first, open your phone dialer, switch to contacts then, and pick the contact that you wish to add this profile picture to. Now mark edit, and here click on add photo. You can either take a photo, so if someone's staying right in front of you, it's just the way to take the picture. And then if you wish to find something in your gallery, just pick on choose photo. Then choose the gallery. Let me select this one. You can customize it however you wish, smoothly crop it, and then click on confirmation mark, tap on save then, and that's it. So as you can see, from now on, every time P will be calling me, I will be able to see this profile picture at first. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.